Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to discuss about React model. So for that, first we need to set up our React. So as you can see, I've just set up my React. I didn't install any packages except React model. So this is a version I've installed. For installing this, you need to use this code. This is a npm package. So for installation, you need to type this code. So after installing it, let me go to the file. Now let me create a button which acts like a toggle for the model. So let me name this as React model. Then let me install React model. mm, React model. So the items which you want to display in the pop-up. So you need to wrap the whole thing in the model part. So let me give this as model body. Once done, so as you can see, this is not visible right now, so because we need to set true, piece open to true. So it is visible, but if I change this to false, so this thing is not visible. So this thing acts as a toggle for us. So let me use state. Let me set this as visible and set visible. So use state to initially we need to set this as false. So use state is already imported. So let me mention a function on click. So let me use callback, set visible as true. Fine. Now we need to like give this variable over here. Now save the file. This thing is working. So as you can see, it's toggling one way. So we need to give it in two ways. For that, we need to use another button inside the model. Button, close model. Now we need to type same function, but we need to change a little bit. So we need to change this as false. So let me refresh. As you can see, it's closing. So now, as you can see, this is the overlay part. So if you want to close the model body when we click over here, so for that we need to change on request close is equal to same callback function, but we need to change this to sorry false. So as you can see, it's closing. So coming to styling part, as you can see in the documentation, these are custom styles, right? So if you want to change this model body, so we need to mention every CSS in the content part. So let me go to my VS Code and let me style it over here. Style is equal to nav overlay. Let me put this in brackets and background to some black. So it is working now. So now if I want to change the size of the body, for that we need to mention the CSS in content part. As you can see, if when I'm typing in the VS Code, you can see the content uh, word already. It's auto suggesting us. So for that, it's by that we can know that we are on the right path. Now let me give the width of the body as some 500 pixels. Sorry, we need to keep them in double quotes. Then height of the body as 500 pixels. Now go there. So now it's working. So this is how we do, this is how we use React model. So thanks for watching.